Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious chicken feet recipe. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so we're gonna start this recipe off today by cutting, our fresh herbs. We have some onion, we have some carrot, and a few other ingredients, all right? So we're gonna chop this in half. So that's one onion, one yellow onion, guys. Chop it up. We have some green onion. And like I said before, everything is washed. And then I have one carrot right here. Chop it up. Yeah man, so we chop up the sweet peppers, bell peppers. This is one serrano pepper. This is gonna add a nice flavor, and we're not gonna remove the seeds. Everything is going in a pot. The seeds, guys, gonna add a nice spicy flavor to this chicken foot or chicken feet recipe. Growing up in Jamaica, we usually have it in soup, the chicken foot in soup, or just curry it down, or a brown stew. Or you can't even jerk it, you can't do anything with it. As long as you tenderize it first, guys, you should be good to go. Yeah man, but in my neck of the woods, where I'm from in Jamaica, we call it chicken foot. Yeah. Here we have some thyme, some fresh ginger. Yeah man. We have some garlic, cloves of garlic. We're just gonna smash it like that with the side of your knife and mince it up nice and proper. You don't have to be perfect. It should be good. So now we're gonna clean up our chicken foot, our chicken feet, remove all the skin, the nails, the toenails and all that stuff, and then we're gonna wash it with some vinegar and water and boil it until it's nice and tender for about an hour. All right, so we're gonna clean these bad boys up real quick, remove the nails, and then we should be good. All right. If you have a kitchen scissors, that will do the job as well, but for this recipe for today, I'm just using a knife. And after you remove the nails, guys, this is how it should be looking. Let me know if you would try this recipe, guys. If you would try chicken feet, or let me know the most exotic, food you've ever tried in your life. For me, I've tried a little bit of everything. Gator bites, octopus, you name it, shark, a little bit of everything, guys. When it comes to cooking, guys, when it comes to food, you just gotta have an open mind. You can't just be stuck in a box and be like, hey, I don't eat this, I don't eat that. You gotta have an open mind, when it comes to food. For me, guys, whenever I'm in the kitchen, it's like my fun zone, fun spot, Whatever stress I'm going through, I just forget about it. Yeah, man, so you want to add some vinegar, and then you want to add some water. Give it a nice little wash. And then we're going to drain this off real quick. So you want to rinse it about 2 to 3 times, drain that water off, and you should be good. Now we're going to get our pot nice and hot, boil some water, and then once the water comes to a boil, guys, then we're going to add some salt, and then we're going to add our chicken feet. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to add some salt. We're going to add about a tablespoon, not too much. Add some allspice or pimento berries. And we're also going to add some cloves, some whole cloves. not too much. And now we're gonna add our chicken feet. Just like that. And like I said, guys, you wanna boil your chicken feet for about an hour or until they are nice and tender. But I'll have the exact measurement, exact recipe description in the description of the video, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so my friends over at aprontify.com sent me this beautiful apron. It's customized to my liking. If you like this apron, guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description and you can have your very own customizable kitchen apron. All right, check it out. Yes, guys, so after cooking my chicken feet for about 45 minutes, it is nice and tender, gooey, it's falling off the bone. So we're gonna remove the water and then we're gonna saute all the lovely ingredients together. Stay tuned. Drain the water off. Just like that. All right, so once the water is fully drained, guys, your pan should be hot. We're gonna add some oil. And now I'm gonna add my fresh ingredients. Let's go. So at this point, we're gonna add our ingredients, guys, all right? And we're just gonna cook them up for a few minutes until everything becomes caramelized. Then we're gonna add our chicken feet. We're gonna add some chicken stock and some Szechuan sauce. Go ahead and add your chicken feet. I'm also gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. This is my kitchen magic seasoning, guys. And once again, you can click the link in my description of this video if you want to purchase, a small portion of my kitchen magic. So you just want to add about a tablespoon of the kitchen magic seasoning to it. Saute everything together. Oh, it's smelling so good. Wow. Now it's time to add our Szechuan sauce. Add a decent amount, not too much. Saute everything together, stir it up. Oh, wow, smelling lovely. All the aromatics, guys, combined together is amazing. Looking good. So now we're gonna add some chicken stock, chicken broth. Add a little. We're gonna add about 1 cup of that chicken stock. And we're just gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna turn it down and let it simmer. Stay tuned. Close them down. Yeah, man, so we're gonna add some brown sugar, all right? It's about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Gonna balance out the flavor, add a little sweetness to it. Yeah, man. It's gonna be a nice savory dish, spicy, sweet, so a little bit of everything in it. Yeah, man. And as you can see, guys, it's nice and thick right now, gooey. Look at that. Watch that. You see that? Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Come on, guys. So after you add all the ingredients, the chicken stock, the seasoning, the Szechuan sauce, and the sugar, you just want to cook it for a few more minutes, and you should be good. All right. That is it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do a quick taste test. We're gonna make them know how it turned out. All right. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. Look at this right here. Ooh, this is gooey. If you've never had chicken foot or chicken feet, you definitely need to try it, guys. Definitely. You're missing out. You don't really get more exotic than this. You might be thinking, oh my God, chicken feet, I would never try that. I don't want to try that. It's dirty. No. This is the same flavor as chicken, but the texture is different. And it also add a nice little gooiness to it. Ooh. See there? Yeah, man. This is a must try recipe, man, I tell you. Yeah, man. See there? Add some gravy on top. Some of that sauce. Look at that. Yes. Oh yes. It's so good, guys. Fall off the bone, watch that. So tender, sweet, spicy. Yes, guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. This is so good. You definitely need to try it.